Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today what we are going to discuss is that how a numerical variable and categorical variable descriptive analysis should be look like, or how to do the descriptive analysis for a continuous type variable or a numerical variable and a categorical variable. As you can see here, age is a numerical variable, gender is a categorical variable. So I'm going to show you how to identify an outlier in the numerical variable is there, and as well as how to see a box plot and histogram in numerical variable and check whether those variables have a normality assumption or not. So these are discussed in this video, so stay tuned. So in gender, so in categorical variable, we just need to mention whether these variables, how many are there in each count. So for if I say in male, how many are there in male, and female, how many are there in female. So that is what we are doing in gender. I mean for category variables. For that, you can just click analyze descriptive statistics. You have something known as descriptives or frequencies is enough. So in frequencies you can just give gender. So once you give the gender and frequencies, and there is no need of these so mean and nothing. So when you click on OK, the output table will be giving you a count for each categories in the gender. So here we have n is equal to 20 cases. So this can be used when we do with some missing data. So if you found if your sample is around 20 and if you get 19 here, which means that your data is missing, one data is missing. So for that we can use the statistics table. In gender you will have the frequency and percent. So in male there are 11 and female there are 9, and it is count around 55 percentage, and female for 45 percentage. So this is the what a categorical data's output will be look like, or descriptive table will be look like for a categorical data. Now for a numerical data, continuous data, it will be different. So here to do that you can just click analyze. On descriptive statistics there is an explore button. So on explore you can give age as the dependent list. So if you click on statistics, here there is a statistics, you can click and OK. The descriptive of age will be shown in the output table. So here also you can just click on 20. So here number of cases, you can click on number of cases, it is around 20. And descriptive tables, it has the mean, median, variance, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, range, skewness, kurtosis. So these all will be given in the descriptive table, and this is how a numerical table should be looked like. So as a bonus, I will say about how to find the outlier. If there is an outlier in your data set, how to find it, and also whether to check whether this data, this variable will follow normal or not. So on that you can just click on the same explore, and on explore you can click on statistics. In statistics there is a descriptives, there is a column known as outliers, there is also percentiles, so we can just click on percentiles also. In options there is nothing, so you have to click both in display. Then on plots there is normality, plot with test, and there is histogram. So stem and leaf also, yeah, we can include that, and click OK. Now here we will get all those details about a numerical variable or a categorical variable. So here first itself you can check the number of variables, if there are any missing or not. So descriptives, about the descriptives, all those will be given. Percentiles, as you know, 50th percentile is the median, 25th percentile is the Q1, which means below 23 point there are 25 percentage of your data. So 75 is Q3, it means below 32 there are 75 percentage of your data. This extreme values tables gives you outliers. So here as you check, there is a highest of 202. So 202, then you check your next highest is 34. That means it's clearly an outlier. So it's a huge difference is there from 202 to 34. So 202, 34, 33. So 34, 33, 32. Okay, we can have a number between 34, 35 as the highest, but not 202. We check on the lowest, 20, 21, 22. It's okay. There is no outlier in the lowest, but there is an outlier in the highest. It's 202. On normality test, you can have Kolmogorov-Smirnov test or Sharp-Rao test. So in Kolmogorov-Smirnov test, whenever the significant value is greater than 0.05, we say those data follows normality. So here we say it is less than 0.05, so it is statistically significant, and we say the age variable does not follow normality. So based on two tests you can decide whether it follows normality, or you can just click on histogram. You can check whether this follows a normality. So you can see there's a high concentration here, then there's a concentration here. This is outlier, so you can exclude that on the next analysis. Usually you can give a mean of the data or a median of your data, so according to your wish you can give. So there are many ways to decide what should be given. So here it does not follow a normality. Then on the stem and leaf diagram, we have a box plot. So here also, if it goes like this in the same horizontal way, then it follows normality. So in the box plot also, you can see here it clearly indicates there is an outlier on the 11th row. There is an outlier almost 200, so you can decide that's an outlier, and you can go of changing those variables. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. I will be uploading more videos on SPSS tutorial of various statistical analysis works, and have a nice day.